Let me give you a quick tour of the inside of my Coleman instant canopy tent. I set it up so I can either sit in here and just relax or do some cooking. I have this outdoor shelving that I bought at Home Depot. I've had it for a long time. It holds some of my small appliances. I've got some pots and pans here. I've got a tub for storing items. Got a rocking chair. A 3-drawer plastic Sterlite cabinet. I've got a prep table. I've got a table where I actually do the cooking. And I have my Cuisinart double induction cooktop. I just love it. I use generator power when I'm off grid to heat it. And you can only use stainless steel pots and pans on it, otherwise it won't work. I've got my laptop so I can just read the recipes while I'm doing the cooking. Another storage cabinet. Another chair that actually reclines. Another tub for storing things. And I've even got an old-fashioned radiator with oil heat. It really takes the Arizona chill out at night. It comes with screens, but I lined it all with 6x8 vinyl tarp just to keep the cooler weather out and the wind, and for privacy. The tarp really makes a difference. And that's my canopy.